Kwaba Badwam TV so me need the sister son to be a guy and I may start company for a kukudam yo mama best me ne a nije a ho ya be twetwe nkomo for Ghana Music Awards USA Faith edition home me sa ka me bra penny my senior in the game Nana Poku Ashes nidino can I mistake ashes Nana Pacha Kwaba
yeah ba
okay I fish up I think on better I got no kwana me sa ka me sa so aka the organizers of Ghana Music Awards USA Don Papa One Don Alla Don dollars and also dollars name so
the ice nana nigga
nani still the patch of penny for mama kwaba real quick you be see ehuna napoku the bobre e wo dwumadi we say mo te patch real quick ahwefo ehwe no me ehu bobre e wo dwumadi kese we say mo
yo me kasama from adwumadi no
oh okay
afi dey no yeah me na opanyini yi me say mentoto mano
oh okay
when you hear information
that's nice
yeah me wa hide I'm the go-to person
oh me Judy too much
wo
be ya dwumadi afapre adom wo hwe we hwe mu ansa because na poku dey wo dey adwuma na hye say dey simple pra because information na dey ama me no say no peba na me no twetwe nkomo na na ama me information na say adwuma ne dey oh yeah power starting it's Faith edition what is extra about Faith edition we see ayababe.
Okay, so over the years now, yeah, Nyama in a particular way. Okay. But this time, because of the Ghana agenda, we want to hit hard on the Ghanaian music. Yeah, but say I'm on for any other countries I'm gonna buy an event.
Okay.
I'm gonna take Ghana and you I said, so your team in the crowd now, yeah, we slogan this year, the music won't stop playing. So the Ghana music would never stop playing.
Okay.
You bought a human man saying at Ghana nyum. So this year is all about Ghana nyum.
Okay.
This year is actually about Ghana nyum cry in the diaspora. Yeah.
But don't okay say na mo yema somewhere am pacho e bi ne say.
Because somewhere na body say yeah nyama a lot different from the best year. So for those days now you know you're involved because Ghana Music Awards there were other nationals you say try see more free other nationals no. I told you this about this time you focus on Ghana.
Okay.
Ghana nyum.
Okay.
Yes, some way per se, but we were involving other countries in doing our events. But this time, you per se focusing more on Ghana and Nyum Ankasa.
The Ghanaian agenda.
Yeah. But still, set Nana Pokuya war category for best international art.
Yeah.
So still, you per se push Ghana best international art. No, not movie film and passion. That
any film per se, but you also trying to say your ma ebia main artist no. They are going to offer whiskey and never offer the video no money idea no. Yes, we were there this time. You know, I just to see a project Ghana music.
Okay.
The end of the idea, yeah, idea we my and mom could say main category like main performance no.
Okay.
No need to mean body rule on to one in your money idea and share. One idea on my chem and I say one I call what chair. I thought it'd be only 50. One person who the cost so so it's half one targets no I want so this year right
okay it's a say your Faith edition we say no artists are performing in a
Ghanaians strictly Ghanaians
or more abroad no more Ghana
yeah
but real quick artists ben sana that bill no so this year
oh the end of the year I think na yaba nominations no it's year no and aboard the better who did well this year who is fit to come on the program it's ensure damn fair no to
and no launch na be no so
yeah
yes and actually there's the kind so I mean me person me shemukina the other thing is to say feasibility studies to know artists are resonating very well with the Ghanaian community at a particular time.
Okay.
And so still IAS feasibility study. This year so we are back Jersey, back to New Jersey. We went all over. Now we are back home. Because back home Ghana Music Awards USA was born in Jersey. And the Bafini Ebefi Beam. And the say at this time, you know, Ghanaians never New Jersey, no artists paying now. Here, that's the Ghanaians around
America in general.
Yeah.
Na busia for Ghana Music Awards USA and many more chain come no. It's no near my main now system in a red carpet no. That day. Company for make na most.
Oh yeah, of course.
Also meeting like say Fajidi can never be
what you say.
It's a real quick here promo numbers see ade hu nia Ebekoso. Yabasisia. Only the music can't stop playing. And untina the Ghana music. I promo no call for nomination. Yancho no home come because we have to 31st of January. I very good. That's why I stand the time now, my pal. That means artists, you know, Obia wa kwenya so be no ordinary na yi ne beba. Okay,
artists are more kwenya near artists are more America.
Oh. Okay.
No more based in America, but Ghana han ye academy and a research team ye the year under review last year no. Research to know the ones who are good. They bring their work near the ma if anything your board in academy no. They will vet and then we add it to the more America. And more America we call for nomination because we still have a lot of artists in America we've not discovered yet. So we are still discovering until we get the full list of.
Don't pass my mentor say Ghanaian artists no omo de omo ntimi inform de emba more academia. Omo yes anhwehwemu.
Oh, nana. Academy and research team. Omo yes anhwehwemu. It's on the Grammys and that's what they do.
Yeah.
So we from America into the Seja. Yes, there in Penifono so yeah. So we've been doing that for a while. Okay, with American there because we don't have the data yet, you know. We are still calling for nominations.
Oh, I see. Nana Pacho, we go at the back home. Don't AK concerning nomination.
Next week Thursday. Next week.
Yeah,
Thursday.
yeah.
You made the Cassia. It was Soho.
Yeah.
And only the unveiling of program Jumedi and Ankasa. What I said near church. I'm assigned near Bakoso.
Okay.
I was Jumedi and Asia. Now, if any questions here, I will be saying, I bet church you more happen something saying, I will hunt here, Tunsa. Afre Ghana mine, the media, musicians, everybody who is part of this entertainment sector. Yeah, Tonsa from Mumina say, Mama Soho, our airport.
Yeah.
Opposite Shell station, our Obahonoma, Ubisasa Oko Soho, on a betcho, a dining room. Now, war interest, but then there are special invitations as well to Chema, for the stakeholders.
Oh, okay.
That's nice. When Sabakao there.
Okay. It is so holy day, bit me room free, right? So red carpet hosted because events, you know, maybe red carpet.
When Sabakao there, I mean, on a stakeholders.
Stakeholders, so okay.
Oh yeah.
When I say, oh yeah, buying tea.
I was on that note, you made you never cost me a back cover. Niabo Adom TV because yours truly as red carpet was there was a me money. Now make cover better Ghana for. It's about final words to fans, loved ones, lovers of Ghana Music Awards USA.
All right, so like this year the music can stop playing. The Ghana music cannot stop playing. We have to stop playing Ghana. I say a conscious effort there. Yeah, but Ghana nyomne sa o bibia ibekubia. Because last time me home bibi or me cost stop be an bought other countries in yum me person body na yem Ghana nyum and I was not happy.
Our abroad
me borrow store na me no mo kasa no. There are other good music from Ghana. How about they? So me bomb no. They're very intrigued and almost some slotted mo mo kakra.
Oh nice.
Say obia be ne sa na yenuane mu ya be ne sa Ghana nyum be konini. Okay. Me sure say me nua be man be.
Oh, na pokumo die Ghana nyum agenda na they are pushing it so hard on Hit FM. On demo.
Yeah.
They are on our next. Even 90 jam of course. Oh. We say na pokuja. Na the adwuma na was selecting there no one know.
Oh, research me research.
Oh yeah. But na the adwuma no say na until that note person me gina abo aba so say wafa Ghana music still akonkon a.
Nyame ne yedona. I mean matter of fact it started Saturday with 2010 many George Britain.
Oh yeah.
2010 you started to play Ghana agenda.
It's true.
But yeah support no.
It's that time
the Nyame say and then no nipa ni nyina ati ase and the Ghana for say bro nyan. One about Ghana nyum. Nipa ya de osaye. Enye de bia na you be criticize you almost say and omo na DJs no. Let's give them the credit. Said bro nyan dear. But be there was at least
Ghanaian song
80 or 90% Ghanaian music. Into your bomb about Sanya. Don't just say, yeah, Twasso. What I say, I call America.
Correct.
I'm a one of what I say. Now, my playlist near the end, when you one for any free so. No, the Ghana for the end go so. The moon I'm one year support it. Na any.
Yeah, so last year was Black Sharif. This year, why and ever for Ghana Music Awards USA overall. Obetimi have visit on www.ghanamusic.gmaus.org. Yes,
and I'll call your Instagram page. Obesonia information in Obetimi call GMAUSA_ our Instagram and Ghana Music Awards USA on all social media platforms. Oh, your information is here. Obeso sponsor and so Obetimi fresh 609 251-0178. And I'll reach out to the team.
And I'm money Ghana number Bianca.
Ashes with me.
Yeah, open sponsor Jubedi and open so who the cost open so yeah part of it. I'll be to my friend 0245 251500 0245 251500.
And your last one with the measure for your Grofobisa say on the team no na in na yanko. Almost some person about my friend Ashes.
Oh, okay.
Na yeah, and ya kwa ko hair edumedi because in ya Ghana phone nyina wo am hair edumedi.
It's na ye be ni am ye ba fa. It's me that my sympathy for say na mo besra.
Yes, yeah, that's so what
na nyame Adom a Thursday ochina week no shy wo so na ye fa entwa so.
Yeah.
24.
Yeah, that's your bar. That's your bar.
But Ahosepe. I was saying san hwe promo no embra biem na me nje omo kwan. Ye ba sisia. Died. Me sa camera playing Frankie 5 what I say no. Responsible. I red carpet. Me and I Frank was alive.
Straight.
Yeah, red carpet.
Straight.
Can meet here.
Red carpet.
I did both red carpet we.
Me no. Anyway.
She where you feel.
No way.
Me share me very ma. Igina kwapem for. You share no pay. Me pass me mo akwa ba shon.
Yeah.
And you are smelling good and looking good.
Thank you, Ahosepe.
I think come back here, bra.
Thank
you. It was no me ma ho ye fa, wona me China. Ansani ya.
Well, ni nyina ni okre mframa na me ko hye ho na body no. Ohun se na ye weda no.
Da we ho de.
Ye weda no.
Abucha
Ghana. We can be a try as much as possible. Wherever you can just spend it there. It's just about 35 minutes to the top.
Because me befi.
Befi.
Meba.
With the weekend.
Meba.
Yo.
Enu nti na me ne day ye nyina ye coffee. We ye homecoming for ekwapem for any lovers of people no. Yeah, call me my Frank and moye nkomo ne a ebeko so. On that note no, e ade a wotaye ho.
Yes, I think that somewhere around 2008 many slim basta crane started. You know, what we do is that after the ohum no, every ohum na ye friend eba. Eba no. We are weekend no, near activity creative activities near the community no about together we are your doidi on Sunday. So the whole weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, no, I never pa. Last year, or the immediate past one, last 2 years, okay. It's a traditional calendar, etabeto December,
yes.
Na sankoto January, December, January. Until last 2 years, I got December, okay. And last year, they know, I'm beto December and I beto January.
Nice.
Until this coming Saturday,
yes.
And worry a grand debano. Nana Kwame Hineku, on the second on any Ohimia, Nanama. Abuajiwa yema munyina fisha pa ntino na ye de behye so Friday ye be green Friday on the aya way wo Cape Coast
orange no ye be green
for the green because we represent the green land of Ghana ntino ye be green Friday the whole okre from Ebru to Abonse
adwuma so I don't na menu aberma Jerry Justice make it down.
Exactly.
Silver lady, the ever beautiful silver lady. I don't permit you. I start paying like squad niguso.
Squad niguso. Until Saturday after deba ne pe near the street carnival na just so brew music expo no. Near the ashisho. Now we artist gusua. I
don't know come here can was. Some me na me da so. Wo me no come coffee for. Some me wa latin bi wo.
Straight.
Some mama latin. My body mama latin chrono na. Squad way how do you get them? How do you get all these artists? How do you do it?
It's by grace. Yeah. It's by grace and hard work in the creative arts sector. So, me ba hit FM no.
Oh yeah.
Mini one idea guru and then through the Creative Arts Council, Creative Arts Agency, I interact with them a lot. And I won't be brain so no say nsakwa and saba.
No cray.
Also baby I also we hear assistance near them so nti edu me so me time a wo nyina pese wo ba.
Oh, that show on hits you made a gospel fraternity.
Yeah.
Something else. I'm not surprised they are all there for you.
They are all coming.
Siesta, Tego Sisters, Selena Boateng, Empress Gifty, Professor Joseph Atara. Nasi. Meba Chaya Paho.
Yeah.
A patient Yako, ACP Kofi Sapo, Abna Sewa, Ophelia, Yawa Estelle Safwa, Niso, Nazareth, Mihunache.
Yeah. Top guy.
Kwajokin so baba.
Kwajokin.
Love your neighbor, Kwajokin. Rex Oma, Kofi Nti, Dada Kedi, Dada Half-Co. Keke just say high life no.
And there's a surprise for that day. Surprise ke sibipa usa ashes bijina wan kan wan sem. Iti me boa shisa no hu ni pako.
I see.
A big surprise on that night. It's going to be a whole night affair into the next morning.
Yes, it's so free. Free.
Street in Uswa.
Artists weighing na performance for free. Just a brew pay.
Just a brew.
A brew pay. Frankie 5. A brew music expo. Frank. It's aside the information, go aside surprise information go at the Bechayana.
Near met Sre Ghana Funyana and say, Mon farm attention, Embre Equiapim. Equiapim is very close to Accra. Yaye, Cape Coast, Yaye, Takra, the Winneba. Yaye, Kwo. This is the time for Equiapim. Equiapim no any Ebrew. Esha say fi Ebrew. So we've started this festival and it's going to continue every year. Mon farm attention, Embre. So book it 3 days, Kra. Friday Oba, Obitimi have a green Friday, you know. Now, when your opportunity, I could a brew waterfalls. Your waterfalls, we will say,
Frankie, wait now, when you say a tourism on its own for Equiapim.
Yeah, that's a complete tourism.
Because when people come and sleep in
whole
hotels,
tourism package, hotels,
patronize.
Yo, Edrian, nature bars, near day fufu, Latte Junction, Mamo Latte Junction.
Yeah, fufu now, yeah.
Until we are now 5 minutes. Now we are waterfalls. Now we are ecosystem. We will everywhere. Chiho, friend, new one, Safari Valley Resort.
Oh my God, that is in Dubai.
Mamo natural ecosystem, zebra live near Dynamo Kosheno, and also it's a whole tourism package. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
By your crew,
This is the time to experience Equiapim the more. But Obama Rimfi say Krubi wa a friend with Ebrew. And yet Ebrew in Pacho, way Ebrew.
Ebrew, I don't know better what you say. No, Ebrew tree near Ebrew.
And he said, Udu Ekropoa, the next town here, Ebrew. And they start Ebrew, Asana Deu, Asana Ukugwa, Asana Edukrum, a prede, you know, now they call. It's in the Pamacho. With the Mestre Adom Egramo platform, we say they invite me in a free. I feel so many could in Kakra. Christmas, when you say Mohua dry Kakraba, the Akadamo from Bra.
What's a game, Paco?
Nayanko.
Because Council, you're hungry, Adam Cheskabium. The one way you're so Cheska, and you have a hungry scatter bottom. All these artists. In a brew. Friday, Green Friday, Saturday, no.
Music expo.
And a brew music.
Na Sunday, what are you doing?
But I say no best time. A brew grand deba.
Kevin
we are on the street. I work here for rapping, but as a best. But final words too.
Madam Munina say, a Ghana Funina say, na Majina Nana Kwame Hineku the second on an Nehemia, Nanama, on also Yamamuina Fishapa. Now, Fay, invite him to a brew. The grand deba now obesua him for no will be open culture pa Saturday and upon Odebra. Obesua him for Nina work yapim. The one who yapim culture papa. Now, if you know, Uju Kakra, Nefi, Yedi, Street Carnival, Atwa, so Madam Sandy, Bomodiana Bofa, and last year one. Maybe. Benini you no more Mequang no more Umia.
Weka, Nuhua, would you guys too much? Say, but that's if it's all best. I was in the ever so any Mede Frank 5 ideas. See, the Akagina, no social media handles, Neswa. Fire lady, so a PR, Jumanu, fire lady, or boy Jumapa. But I say, 18 or Meda Abwafo, I say, P-Wack, natural health, P-Wack for Omodia Drew about 3P garlic mixture. Edu papa e sanyarewa ahodo bebre sa so na Django energy drink Mr. Kukaton obese okoye bia wa anom Django energy drink a wonya sa ahoden no Miss Gold's boutique e was Santa Maria Blue Kiosk o mata de kama 2 piece Miss Gold's identity papa baba mo de anhwe no e was Santa Maria Blue Kiosk meda well be kofi ampedo ase da che hene amampoma big girls aboafo MC our camera sound lights makeup I'm the guy's queen wish am we brewer Mwa on Saturday, na fa bom mame. Boza, Pacho Macau.